is unique and beautiful in her own way. However, makeup has become a way for a woman to look and feel beautiful while showcasing her confidence in a different manner. Hey viewers, welcome to Prominent 10.
Hey, is your wedding day coming soon? Don't worry, we have got the best bridal makeup artists covered for you to make you look stunning on your day. For this list, we are taking a look at India's best 10 makeup artists in 2024 bridal makeup. And remember, this list is not in a particular order. Number 1. Leena Bhushan. She is the leading makeup artist belong to Delhi, and she is dynamic makeup artist who knows how to prepare a bride or a model for the occasion. Her makeup makes the bride look stunning.
Number 2. Guneet Virdi. She is a professional celebrity makeup artist who set up a fabulous studio in Mahechan Market in Delhi. She is one of the top bridal makeup artists in town. Guneet's sophisticated and stylish personality reflects in her makeup, resulting into a marvelous beauty makeover that make heads turn in appreciation.
Number 3. Ojas Rajni. She is a famous bridal makeup artist who is known to create flawless looks on all her clients. She has worked in the industry for more than 10 years and specializes in dramatic bridal eye makeup and hairstyle. She enjoys a steady clientele list that includes Madhuri Dixit, Aishwarya Rai, Deepika Padukone, and so on and so forth.
Number 4. Guru. Guru works in the fashion, beauty, and makeovers, utilizing his versatility and instinctive ability to create from cutting-edge contemporary to classy chic. He confidently delivers the perfection demanded by the clients. His areas of expertise include high-definition makeup.
Number 5. Meenakshi Dutt. She is the biggest name in the makeup industry in Delhi. She brings along new trends and variety for a bride. She knows the intricate secret of makeup and creates magic with the work. She has established a new image for the bridal makeup.
Number 6. Anu Kaushik. She is a New Delhi-based makeup artist and has built up herself a reputation through her high details and creativity. She creates highly clean and minimal to more extreme and dramatic looks. Anu talked all things bridal with Be Beautiful. If you are a bride-to-be, you don't want to miss this.
Number 7. Ambika Pillai. When speaking of top makeup artists in Delhi, we cannot leave out Ambika Pillai. Ambika Pillai Designer Salon started small with just 20 highly skilled staff members who she trained to acquire world-class skill on hair, beauty, and makeup. Ambika Pillai offers its clients a number of services along with the makeup service to its clients.
Number 8. Kirti DS. Kirti DS is a famous Delhi-based makeup artist who always strives to create exceptionally stunning makeovers for her clients. She wants the client to be comfortable and feel confident in their own skin. The services of Kirti are always customer-friendly, and you can receive the latest and best beauty and hair assistance from her.
Number 9. Bianca Lozado. Apart from being hailed as one of the foremost bridal makeup artists, she is also a favorite amongst several celebrities. Her roster includes the likes of Priyanka Chopra, Dia Mirza, etc. Her signature look is a fresh, flawless, luminous skin which is still understated.
Number 10. Chandni Singh. Chandni Singh is a renowned makeup artist based in Delhi who has been featured in many prestigious magazines, also has done makeup for editorials and worked with several celebrities. Her ability to provide flawless looks complete with perfect hair is what makes her a great choice for your special occasion. She offers a flawless finish, and every makeover she has done is a true vision of perfection and personalization. So these were the 10 best makeup artists of India. for bridal look. We hope you liked the video. If you really enjoyed it, make sure you give it a big fan thumbs up.
It really motivates us to make new videos quickly. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so you will be notified every time when we upload new video.
Thanks for watching. Enjoy your day and remember, spread love and be kind to everyone.